Something is in the box. Something small. It is morning. A vegetable delivery is at Cleo's door. What could be inside? What is it? Let's find out.
Oh, my vegetables! Thank you. Cleo, can I help? I'm a great helper.
You're a great snack eater, Sam. But yes, help me.
Carrots, potatoes, and a big spiky one. Cleo, what is this?
Brown, round, spiky. Vegetables don't move, Sam.
It moved. Look. It's a hedgehog!
A baby hedgehog! Hello? I heard noise. Oh my! A baby hedgehog! He is very young.
Can we keep him? Please, Cleo. Please.
Okay. We help him for a short time, then he goes home.
He needs a warm box, soft leaves, and water.
Meow. His name is Pickle. Good night, Pickle. Sleep well.
Pickle was awake. He was curious. Very, very curious. He went for a little walk. He wanted to see everything. Everything. He loved exploring.
There you are. You like to explore, don't you? But you must stay inside.
That night, Pickle saw the big garden. It was so big. He still wanted to explore. There was so much to see. He found a piece of string. What a clever idea! Very clever. Down the string he climbed. Now Pickle was in the big, dark garden. It felt so big. Splash! Oh! He ran past the water. Quick, quick, quick! He kept going. Pickle was brave. He went on an adventure. A big cat. Very big. Pickle made himself into a little ball. Spiky, safe. Nice and safe. Then he rolled away. Fast! So fast! Off he went. Through the flowers he went. Red flowers. Yellow flowers. Everything was so big. Wow! It felt enormous. He found a little gap. and he went through the gap. He met a little bird, a very little bird. "Hello," said the bird. Pickle was tired. Yawned. He found a warm bed of leaves. It looked soft and comfortable. But someone was watching.
Pickle? Cleo? The box is empty.
Reginald, that cat.
It is not your fault. We find him together, okay?
Okay. I miss him.
Pickle? Pickle, where are you?
Don't worry. We don't give up.
Pickle?
Pickle? Pickle?
Excuse me. Have you seen a little hedgehog?
Look! Little footprints.
This way. Come on. I hear him. Hurry!
Almost there. Got you. I've got you.
What a day. Picker is safe at home now. I made something. For you.
It's Pickle. I love it. Pickle, where are you?
Stop! Reginald, no!
Leave him alone. I've got you. You're okay.
You did it, Sam. You never gave up. A safe garden. This is his home. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time for another little rescue.